The number one reason why it's so important to get involved in research in CF is because the population is so small that you need a lot of people to be a part of a clinical trial in order for a drug to make it to market. 1 in 5 drugs that is developed in the lab actually makes it to the public. So the numbers just aren't there. You need, it's such a small pool of patients to get involved that sometimes kids have to do 3, 4, 5 studies, which is great, but you can't be part of the same clinical trial. You can't be part of 2 clinical trials at the same time. So it's really important for everyone to get involved because the numbers just aren't there. So you need a lot of people to get involved just in that small population to help therapies become available to the public. We try to remind them that they are the reason why these therapies are available. It's the kids that came before them that took part in those studies. That's the reason why they can take their Pulmozyme. That's the reason why they can take their hypertonic saline, is because patients like them, years before, did trials, were part of those studies, and now they can take those things. So they can do that for the next generation. Not only are they helping in the future, they have access to that drug at that time if they're taking part in that trial. So, you know, it's 50-50 whether they're getting placebo or not, but they might get potential access to that therapy right now for free, and they are closely monitored, so they have better access to medical attention. Basically, we see them much more often when they're part of a clinical trial, so they're being paid better attention to, and they're thinking about their health more. They're the reason why kids are going to feel better in the future, and that a cure will be found. And they're so close. There's so much funding, and there's so much put into the research that all they have to do is take part in these trials and get involved, and things will happen a lot sooner, and hopefully soon enough to affect them in a positive way.